1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat comes from pollinators, but those pollinators rely on the native flowers and plants to keep thriving and growing. I'm Leanne Abu-Taribush, your Thomasville neighborhood reporter, and I'm taking a closer look at the push to revive and spread native plants across South Georgia.
You know, when the Europeans arrived in America, the whole Southeast was covered in longleaf forests, and I think we've lost 97% of that forest. And that's one of the things that birdsong does try to do, is sort of restore those sort of very, very ecologically rich, hundreds of different species of plants and hundreds of different species of animals on the site here.
Ben White volunteers at Birdsong Nature Center. He says part of their mission is to bring back endangered native plants and sell them to the public.
I just think it's important when they're endangered. That means if somebody doesn't take care of them, they're going to be gone. It's kind of like, a species of animal disappearing. And most of us prefer that they not disappear.
And those plants aren't just important, they're essential. They provide food and shelter for pollinators like bees, butterflies, and moths, which keep crops growing and ecosystems balanced. Without them, we lose the foundation of Georgia's food chain.
Any of the plants that we have here, your native pollinators can feast on and be healthy and reproduce. We need pollinators for food. No pollinators, no food for humans.
This weekend, Birdsong will sell more than 50 varieties of native plants, trees, and shrubs. They're expecting over 300 people and hope the event not only spreads these plants across the region, but also raises tens of thousands of dollars to keep their conservation programs running. The old-timey plant sale runs this Saturday from 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. and again on November 8th around the same hours. In Thomasville, I'm Leanne Abu-Taribush, ABC 27.